These two cheetah brothers have formed a powerful alliance. One of them is wearing a radio collar, which allows scientists to study their movements, giving an intimate look into the secret lives of these elusive animals. The brothers grew up as littermates and have stayed together after leaving their mother. Their coalition allows them to control a territory of around 23 square miles. It includes excellent hunting grounds and a permanent water source, which is important because although cheetahs can go for up to 4 days without water, when it's hot, they need to drink more often. Working as a team, they have the advantage of being able to bring down bigger prey and can successfully defend their territory from solitary males. Everything about cheetahs is designed for speed. With their long limbs, sleek build, and streamlined head, they can reach almost 70 miles per hour at full sprint, but cannot maintain that speed for long, as it takes great effort. In return for speed, cheetahs have sacrificed power. So the white rhino cow and her calf have nothing to worry about. Which wouldn't be the case if a pride of lions were nearby. The cheetah's territory offers the cover of trees and bushes, perfect for stalking prey. And they spot something. Waterbuck. But they must get within 165 feet before launching their attack. Together, the brothers pull down the powerful antelope. And one secures a vice-like grip on the victim's windpipe. But the struggle isn't over. The waterbuck puts up a brave fight, and it takes the combined efforts of both brothers to keep it down. The cheetah start feeding quickly out of necessity. At least 1 in 10 cheetah kills are stolen by the likes of lion, leopard, and hyena. But today their prize is uncontested. With appetites sated, they can relax as the sun sets, secure in their coalition, for now at least. While 2 big cats settle down for the night with full bellies, the next morning another wakes up hungry.